If you ever thought that it was difficult or maybe impossible to sell multiple products in Kajabi, now it is very easy to do. You don't need external platforms anymore like Shopify or WooCommerce. Kajabi introduced the shopping cart. And in this video, I'm going to show you what the benefits are of a shopping cart in Kajabi, but also how you can bring the shopping cart to the next level, as you know we do with all the features in Kajabi. Let me introduce myself. I'm Bastiaan the Koning from Jiffy Course Online, and I'm a Kajabi expert, and I'm a programmer for Kajabi templates. And our Gamify Lite templates are part of all Kajabi packages. When you buy Kajabi, you immediately get access to Gamify Lite. If you don't have Kajabi, you can try Kajabi 30 days for free using the link below, and you will even get our Gamify Pro template as a gift for you to say thank you for joining Kajabi with our link. It's an affiliate link, and by giving you our template, we have a win-win situation. In your Kajabi dashboard, you can find the cart below the sales tab in the left sidebar. And here are the carts. And on this page, you can change some settings of the cart. Mainly, you can change the button color, and all the information will be filled in automatically. But also on this page, you can select whether you want to use the Kajabi Payments solution Kajabi is offering in many parts of the world, like the United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, and also in Europe currently, but it will also be introduced in other parts of the world soon. On this page, you can select if you want to use Apple Pay or Google Pay or just credit cards, if you want to use Klarna, and you can see it is connecting with Stripe payments also. What I think that is very useful is that you can include or exclude sales taxes. In Europe, this is very common to have prices without sales taxes, and you add them as soon as people try to buy something. Or if you're selling to consumers, you like to show prices including the sales taxes. And with just one switch, you can select whether you want to show it with or without sales taxes. You can ask extra information like name and addresses, and sure, you can change the service agreement also. And also the checkout is redesigned. Here you'll find all the information. People can fill in their credit card information, and they can press the button buy now. They will pay your product, and Kajabi will handle everything for you. They will be sent an invoice, but also they will get access to your courses or your products or your downloads or anything that you offered in Kajabi. Kajabi will take care that they get access to all those specific products they have added to their cart. Before we dive deep into all the features and how you can level up your cart experience, let's talk a bit about where do you need that cart for? Maybe you think, yeah, I just have an online course, so why do I need a cart? Well, if you have just one online course, you don't need a cart. But if you've created PDFs in the past, or you have live trainings that you like to sell, you have meditations or audio files, or you have other downloads for people, tools you want to give them, or you maybe have some merchandise for your products. All those products can be part of your shopping experience. Just collect them and create download products in Kajabi. With Kajabi, when you press the products button, you have downloads. And with downloads, you can create unlimited downloads for all those products. So you don't need a pro plan or maybe even more to sell your product. You can do it with just one product, one download, and you can create unlimited different downloads. And this is very powerful, because if you had all those PDFs and live trainings just somewhere on your hard disk, now you can bring them to Kajabi and actually sell them, and people can select them and purchase multiple products at once, and they get access after they purchase those products. Let me show you how the cart actually works. Here we are on our ShoppiQ landing page. And ShoppiQ landing page is a template for Kajabi, and you can use the ShoppiQ landing page as your shop page to create the most beautiful shopping experience. We talk about ShoppiQ later, but now I'm using this page to show you the power of the cart. The first thing you will see on your screen is in the header, you will find the shopping cart here with a number on the right side. And this tells the customer how many products are in their cart already. You see there are 2 in mine, and you scroll down, for example, to the designs. There are many products here, and you can add them to the cart. So let's just add this one to the cart, and Kajabi will tell it has been added to the cart, and now it's here on top. When you press this button, it will bring you to the cart, and you see there are multiple products here with a continue to the checkout. And when they press the checkout, they go to the checkout experience, everything happens, and they will get access to these products. If they don't want to have the product anymore in their cart, they can click the trash bin and they are gone. Let's get out, and you'll see it's there with just number 1. Well, this is how you expect the cart should be working, and it is also working like that. But there are some parts of the cart that I don't like that much. And actually the styling of the cart is pretty limited. I showed you can change the button color, but when you click on the button, a cart would look like this. This is the standard cart feature, and your logos are pretty small here. There's no colors. You get your footer banner here in bold, and I don't want to have all those links in there, and there's no way to update this page. So that's where my heart goes beating. When I see something that's not possible, I always try to improve it. And with just a little CSS code I put on my cart page, save the page. Let's go back to our shopping experience, refresh the page, and open the cart once more. You see it's now aligned with our styling, our black headers with our logo on the top. It's bigger and there are less items in my footer menu. So there's a little code you can use to update your cart experience immediately. If you're interested in this code, you can go to our jiffycoursesonline.com website, go to free trials, and on this page you can opt for the free code to use in the cart. Now let's talk how you should offer your product, because there's not a sales page involved between your initial item and the shopping cart. You need to give them more information. On a default Kajabi website, you will find the pricing cards, and the pricing cards are updated so they can be used more easily with the new cart feature. And what you see here are the actual pricing cards Kajabi is offering. You can add an image on top, name, a price, and some information below, and you can add a button to buy now to bring them directly to the sales page or a checkout page. You can add a few details in button, and this will give you a modal where you can add more content. But what you see is just a simple model with some text in here. Or what you can do is use this button and create an add to cart button, and then the product will be added to their shopping cart. But that's all. This is all the information you can give to them. And Kajabi came to me and asked, can you create something beautiful for the cart? As we don't have great templates, can you do something? And that's when we came up with ShoppiQ. ShoppiQ is a total new experience for Kajabi to create the most beautiful shopping pages, and it's integrated with the cart very easily. So let me just talk about these cards, these pricing cards Kajabi offered. We changed them to these pricing cards, and what you see is they're more styled. The text is a little bit smaller, but you can change if you want to have a big font or a small font. You can add stars or reviews, and they will link with your review page somewhere else. Or you can also add peppers if you're selling recipes to say how spicy it is. You can add a price, but also discounted price very easily. You can add buttons. They are aligned perfectly above each other, next to each other. And as you see in Kajabi Cart, they are not perfectly aligned. So I don't like this. I like to have it like this. But one of the best parts of ShoppiQ are the models. When you select show more or just the image, there will be a model with all the information once more. You can add multiple images, up to 5, to showcase your product like this. You also have the buttons here. When people see this, get the extra information, they can buy it now or they can add it to the cart. They don't need to click to one page and come back. They can see it here, click the image, and buy it, add it to the cart. Everything is possible. So this is just the first translation of the original pricing card created by Kajabi. The next step I wanted to do is to create more thumbnails. When you go to Amazon, you will find thumbnails on that page. And with thumbnails, you can create smaller images with some text and pricing, or you can even take out all the text or just use the images. They all have that beautiful model on screen. And there are also sorting buttons. So if you have multiple products, you can sort them on templates or maybe on tags that are used with my name, or you can select to show all. So you can create sorting buttons to show them just the products in the category they like to see. This is the second experience you can use with ShoppiQ. The third experience is to create banners. Why always the vertical layout if you can use a horizontal layout? And with banners, you can add the image on the left, put the text in the middle and the buttons on the right. So it's very easy for them. Hey, this is it. Also the same model, the information and the buttons on the right side. If you don't want to have the huge banner, you can use smaller banners with just the image and the text here, or with an image and the text here. It's up to you. The power of ShoppiQ is that you can do this very easily. When I have this shopping pricing card, I can select whether I want to show a card or a banner or a thumbnail. When I select a banner, it's better to make the width a little bit more. Let's make it 8 so they will be next to each other. And I want to have a 2-column banner like this. And it's already updated and changed. It's still working. The layout isn't perfect anymore because there's too much information on the right side. So on this image, I will select the card once more. I create a thumbnail and I don't want to have the description. I just want to keep it simple like this. And on this card, I don't like that the image is on the top left. Let's make it vertically like this. So now it's totally changed and it still looks gorgeous. When you scroll down, you can add multiple images to the card that will be used in the model. And you can also create a different model text for your cards. So ShoppiQ is very easy to update. You can use it for your shopping page, but you can also use it for your normal sales pages or maybe even your home page. The page I show you here is just my playground. So this is not created to be sold. Let me go back to the ShoppiQ page. On our ShoppiQ page, you will find multiple designs you can immediately implement on your website. And here you have our London template. It's very popular. And every ShoppiQ page comes with a demo. We used one of the buttons to view the demo. Click on it and it will bring you to the live demo for this page. This is how you see it. Here are our vertical cards we use with the beautiful models. We have multiple thumbnails here. You can filter and bring them back all. This is our Irvine template. I really love it. It's created with merchandise for Kajabi, but actually the merchandise isn't for sale. And I think they should bring it to their merchandise store. But here also you can press one of the items, get a beautiful pop-up, buy it, add it to cart. If you want, you can also add a discounted price with just one click. All the information is there and the design is it's gorgeous. It feels like Apple. It feels classy. This is a way to showcase your products in a very beautiful way. When we just rolled out our ShoppiQ template, people were really excited. Like Kirsten Small, she said, that sounds completely amazing. It will save me a lot of money compared to my Shopify subscription. Or Rebecca Austin, oh my goodness, your new shopping template is amazing. Having so much fun using it, completely redesigning our homepage. She's not only using it for her shopping page, also for her homepage. And they can create a complete new redesign and look and feel. And also Alison Kenworth, I built my first shopping page. It's simple whilst I learned what to do, but I can't wait to get creative. Thank you for another brilliant and intuitive game-changing product. This is what people say, and we love to hear these stories, and we love to see what people can do with our shopping template. So I hope that you see why I am excited about Cart, but also about how you can really level up the experience. Grab your PDFs, grab your download, take all those recordings you have, take your meditations, your audio files, your guided tours. I don't know what you have on your hard disk. Download products with it in Kajabi and add them to a shopping cart on your Kajabi website. You can create a new income stream that is automatically and easy, and it's just there for you to collect. If you really want to level up that experience, don't use the default Kajabi pricing cards, but go for one of the shopping templates and create a beautiful layout for all your products to showcase. And people love to click that add to cart button. You'll find more information at jiffycoursesonline.com/ShoppiQ. Here you can find all the designs we currently have, and you can select one and completely restyle. So if you select the Irvine one and think later, hey, I wanted to have something completely different like Bali, just update the template, upload your images, change the cards to your likings. It is so easy to do. If you don't have Kajabi, oh my God, you can start with Kajabi 30 days for free using the link below. And if you do, you get our Gamify Pro template for free. Don't tell everybody, this is just for you because you used our link, and we say thank you. And now create the most beautiful course experience you can do with Kajabi. If you have Kajabi already and you have ShoppiQ and you want to create a better shopping experience, styling that shop with different colors, you can get that download code too from our Jiffy Course website, and it's free. Easy to do. Just grab it. Okay, this is it. I hope you liked it. I'm Bastiaan de Koning from Jiffy Courses Online. Don't forget to press that thumb to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you in a different video, or just come to our website and subscribe to our weekly Jiffy journals with a lot of Kajabi tips. Hope to see you again. Thank you for watching.